Nearly 90,000 North Dakotans use illegal drugs and about 40,000 abuse alcohol each year, according to Help.org, a website that offers addiction support. The Heartview Foundation is a private nonprofit in North Dakota that has been offering support and treatment for substance abuse for nearly 60 years. Reporter Lauren Davis visited the Heartview Can-Do facility and shares the impact it's having.
The Heartview Foundation offers outpatient treatment services and has 2 residential substance abuse treatment facilities, one in Bismarck and one in Can-Do. In its history, at least one person from each state in the U.S. and from every province in Canada has received treatment at Heartview.
Substance use treatment providers are incredibly important to help people regain and reclaim their lives and rejoin their communities.
Heartview Can-Do differs from the Bismarck because it utilizes horse therapy and has a big community backing. Snyder says the community support leads to many people staying in Can-Do when they finish their treatment. John Mickish, a Heartview Can-Do employee who completed treatment at the same facility, says he uses his own story to inspire others.
I like to use, my history too to remind them that, things can change drastically. Never in a million years did I think that I'd be on this side of the desk, and I think they really relate with that.
Greg Westland, a state representative in Can-Do, says serving on Heartview's board of directors helps him gain an understanding to be able to write policies for recovery services in the state.
It's a real pleasure to be in a small community like this and see people that were patients out here interact with the community, get jobs in the community, and live in the community. So it's a good feeling to be able to be part of helping Heartview with different issues legislatively.
The director of operations, Sherry Timms, says that Heartview would not be able to function without help from others. She says many local businesses support patients in a number of ways during and after their treatment.
Country Bowling, they have just us there on Saturdays, so our patients can go there. It's confidential, nobody else comes in. We also have the pharmacy, which we're there every day, multiple times a day, and they're wonderful to work with.
Westland can attest to the fact that Can-Do is a recovery-friendly community.
Some people look down on people that have been in recovery, and Can-Do doesn't. They accept recovery out here.
For KX News in Can-Do, I'm Lauren Davis.
An important part of recovery is having a strong support system. The Heartview Foundation has its own private social network for people who have completed treatment as a way for people to find support and make new friends.